Her younger sister married before her, and this happened. Welcome to African Folktales by Nneoma. Nneka was the first daughter of her parents. Tall, beautiful, hardworking, the kind that every auntie in church would point at and say, this one will marry early. But life did what life sometimes does. Her younger sister, Amara, found love quickly, the kind that blossoms effortlessly. Before Nneka could even say, let me meet him, wedding plans were being discussed. Nneka was happy, genuinely happy, but joy and pain can stay in the same heart. On the evening after the introduction ceremony, she walked through Abakpa, Enugu, holding her phone, pretending to be busy but fighting tears. The street was alive. Okpa sellers shouting fresh okpa, keke horns, children running barefoot. Yet she felt alone. As she passed the junction near the transformer, the elderly woman who roasted corn by the roadside looked up. The woman had seen thousands of people, but that evening she noticed something in Nneka's eye. Pain, a quiet pain. She called out gently, Nneka Nneoma, come and rest small. Nneka forced a smile, but the woman shook her head. Your smile no reach your eyes. Something dey your heart. Nneka sat down on the wooden bench beside her. The smoke from the roasting corn rose slowly as if listening. She whispered, Mama, Amara is getting married. And me, I don't even have anyone serious. I don't know what I am doing wrong. I serve. I try to be good, but nothing seems to be happening for me. The elderly woman nodded, her wrinkled hands turning the corn gently. Then she said a line that stayed with Nneka forever.
My daughter, look at the sunset. Beautiful things take time.
Your sister's road opened early because her journey is different. Early does not mean better. Fast does not mean blessed. Your marriage may be better because God is building something stronger. Some foundations take time. She tapped Nneka's hand gently. A flower does not lose beauty because another one blooms first. Tears finally rolled down Nneka's cheeks. Not tears of envy, but release. That night, she went home, breathed deeply, and for the first time, slept without asking, why me? The lesson for single women: delay is not denial. Comparison kills confidence. Your journey is not your sister's journey, and God's timing is never late, only different. Marriage is not a race. The trophy is not who marries first, but who marries right. Some women marry early and suffer. Some marry later and glow. Some marry early and glow too. Everyone's story is unique. The real victory is peace, not speed. And the woman who waits well eventually laughs the loudest.